Why does choosing the right hydroponic system for space matter? As we venture deeper into the cosmos, the ability to sustain life beyond the confines of our planet becomes increasingly crucial. One of the keys to this interstellar puzzle is hydroponics, the process of growing plants without soil. Today, we delve into 20 tips to consider when selecting a hydroponic system for space. 1. Understand the basics. Grasping the fundamentals of hydroponics is the first step. It's about providing plants with the nutrients they need directly to their roots in a water-based, soil-less medium. 2. Prioritize efficiency. In space, resources are limited. A hydroponic system that uses water and nutrients efficiently is a non-negotiable. 3. Consider the weight. The weight of the system should be as light as possible to reduce launch costs and accommodate the weight restrictions of spacecraft. 4. Choose a compact design. Space is at a premium in spacecraft. An ideal hydroponic system is compact yet effective. 5. Focus on simplicity. The simpler the design, the fewer the chances for things to go wrong. It also makes maintenance less complicated. 6. Ensure reliability. The system needs to be reliable. There's no room for frequent breakdowns when you're light years away from the nearest hardware store. 7. Opt for automated systems. Automation reduces the time and effort needed for maintenance. It also ensures that the plants get consistent care. 8. Consider the growth medium. The choice of growth medium is essential. It should provide good support and aeration, and it should not degrade quickly. 9. Look for energy efficiency. The system must not consume too much power, as energy resources are precious in space. 10. Ensure the system is scalable. As the space mission expands, so too should the hydroponic system. 11. Check for flexibility. The system should be adaptable. It should be capable of growing a variety of plants to maintain a diverse diet. 12. Consider the crew's dietary needs. The types of plants grown should meet the crew's nutritional requirements. 13. Think about waste management. An ideal system should recycle waste, turning it into a resource. 14. Consider the psychological benefits. A green, growing environment can provide a much-needed mental boost for the crew. 15. Check for resilience. The system should be robust enough to withstand the rigors of space travel. 16. Opt for a closed system. To conserve water and nutrients, a closed system where everything is recycled is ideal. 17. Ensure the system is cleanable. To prevent disease and maintain a healthy growing environment, the system must be easy to clean. 18. Factor in the cost. Although not a constraint for space agencies, it's still important to consider cost effectiveness. 19. Think about longevity. The system should be durable enough to last the duration of the mission. And finally, 20. Test. No hydroponic system should be launched into space without rigorous testing on Earth first. In summary, choosing the right hydroponic system for space is a complex task. It involves understanding hydroponics, prioritizing efficiency, considering weight and compactness, focusing on simplicity, reliability, automation, and the selection of the growth medium. It should also be energy efficient, scalable, flexible, meet dietary needs, manage waste, provide psychological benefits, be resilient, cleanable, cost-effective, and tested thoroughly. With the right system, we can make the dream of sustainable life in space a reality.